Now, next one of the very important topic, number of atoms. Number of atoms. Especially, we are going to calculate the number of atoms in only cubic system. For cubic system, we are going to calculate the number of atoms. First one for SCC. SCC means simple cubic crystal lattice. You know how to draw. See, SCC means how many corners are there? 8 corners are there. 8 corners contain 8 atoms. Eight corners, 8 atoms. Each atom is shared by 8 other atoms. So 1 by 8. Cancel 1. Next one, BCC. BCC means face center cubic crystal lattice. All the 8 corners contain 8 atoms, and along with it, how many faces are there for cube? 6 faces are there. Each faces contain one atom. Why? Because it's a face center. So same thing. 8, 1 by 8 plus, how many faces are there? 6 faces. Each face, each atom shared by 2 other atoms. So 1 by 2. 1s are 3s are. So 1 plus 3, we will get 4. Last one, BCC. BCC means body center cubic crystal lattice. See, center of the body, it contains only one atom. That's why the name BCC, body center cubic crystal lattice, center. All the corners contain 8 atoms now. So 8 into 1 by 8 plus center of the body, only one atom. There is no sharing. So 1. So 1 plus 1, we will get 2. This concept I already explained. Why I explained the same thing in this session also means, now I am going to derive or calculate the packing efficiency for SCC, BCC and FCC. In order to calculate that, we should know this. Now I am going to calculate packing efficiency. Calculate packing efficiency. Efficiency in SCC. What is this packing efficiency? First you should understand this concept. Packing efficiency andre ಏನು? Packing. For example, you are packing one box. Means how nicely you will arranged. For example, here heaps of books are there. You can arrange in different manner, different ways. Some way they will throw as it is. It will occupy whole room. Some they will arrange properly. It will occupy one particular corner. Some they will arrange in different manner. Means the same thing, but the way of arrangement is different. Packing efficiency means within the crystal, one crystal I'm going to take or consider only one type of crystal, one unit cell. Within the unit cell, that means how much space covered by atoms. In order to calculate that, we should know these things. Means am going to draw. This one is very, very important for 3 marks. Exam point of view, very, very important, compulsory question. Now I am going to draw one cube. Perfect cube. Now, you know 8 corners are there because SCC means simple cubic crystal lattice. SCC mainly contains atoms only at the corners of the cubes. Correct na? 8 corners contain 8 atoms. First I should name the corners. So, this one is A, this one is B, this one is C, D, E, F, G, H. Total 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners, 8 alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now, I am not going to consider all the 8 atoms. Here I am just representing just point. Ili point tara represent madidini. Now, I am going to enlarge 2 corners. 2 corner na matra enlarge. Why? In order to understand properly. See? Here. This is center na. It's like circle. One, two. Got it? Total 8 corners are there. No doubt at all. Total 8 corners. 8 corners contain 8 atoms. No doubt. But I want only 2 corners. Only 2 atoms. Now I am going to enlarge the 2 atoms. See? In SCC, where the atoms are present, this is regarding diagram. Now, shall we start how to calculate the packing efficiency? Yes. In SCC, SCC means simple cubic crystal lattice. In SCC, the atoms means here, this one, the atoms mainly located means mainly placed, mainly located only at the corners. Where? Only at the corners. In SCC, the atoms mainly located only at the corners. Especially at the corners, atoms are situated or located. One thing you just observe, these 2 atoms, where they touched? Edge length. The atoms touch together. Where? At edge length. Atoms touch each other at edge length. Try to understand properly. In SCC, atoms mainly located at the corners only. And along with that, all the atoms touch together at the edge length. At their particular edges, the atoms are touched. Now, try to understand. This one is just assume it's a origin. From ear to ear, it looks like a circle. From ear to here, shall I represent it as R? R means radius. It's a particle, na? Particle look like circle, right? That's why the distance from here to here we call it as R. R means small letter R means radius. Why? It look like sphere, circle. From here to here, same R. Means what is this R? R means radius of the atom. Is it clear? R means radius of the atom. Now, from A to H, I will use A. So, what is this? A means what? A is nothing but small letter A is nothing but from here to here. We call it as edge length. So, edge length of the unit cell. Edge length of the unit cell. Is it clear? From here to here, it looks like a circle. That's why radius. From here to here, it's a one complete edge. So, edge length. Edge length we will represent it as A. So, A is equal to 2R. Shall I write like this? This A complete from here to here. 1R plus 1 more R. See, R means from here to here. 1 more R means from here to here. The distance between these two we call it as A. A is nothing but 2R. So, I want volume. Total volume of the cube. Total volume of the cube. Total volume of the cube. So, how to calculate the total volume of the cube? Length into breadth into height. It's a cube. I already explained in crystal system. A is equal to B, B is equal to C. A is equal to B, B is equal to C. So, A into A into A is equal to A into A square. A square into A cube. What is the A value? 2R. We already know. From the diagram, A is equal to 2 times of R. So, in the place of A, you just substitute 2R. But it's not A, it's A cube. That's why 2R to the power 3. Now, 2 cube, R cube. 2 cube means what? 2, 3 times multiplication. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So, 8 R cube. Is it clear? A cube. In the place of A, 2R cube, whole cube. 2 cube, R cube. I am going to split. Next, 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 R cube. Next, volume of one sphere. Why I am using the 1? Because SCC contains how many atoms? 1 atom. Or else, you want means you can write here. Z value for SCC is equal to 1. How many? Means it's a circle sphere na. What is the volume? Volume of the sphere. 4 by 3 pi R cube. 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now I am going to rub this. So, now everything I got. Now what we should calculate? Packing efficiency. So, packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is equal to here, see, volume of one sphere divided by volume of one sphere divided by total volume of the cube. Total volume of the unit cell multiply by 100. Why 100? It's a percentage packing efficiency. Percent means for 100, how much percent? Means 10% it occupied, 20% it occupied, 30% it occupied, 40%. This percentage, in percentage we are going to explain. So volume of one sphere, how much is there? See, listen here. Volume of one sphere, the value is 4 by 3 pi r cube divided total volume of unit cell. What is the total volume of A cube? What is the A cube value? 8 r cube. R cube can cancel. 1s are 2s are. So pi by 6. Here I missed 100. So multiply by 100 into 100. If you solve this, you will get 52.4%. 52.4%. Means what is the packing efficiency? 100% space is there means half. 52 means almost half. % it's packed fully. Then half packed means remaining half vacant. That's why vacant space. Vacant space. Vacant space is equal to, how to calculate? 100 minus 52.4. So we will get around 47.6%. It's vacant. This is regarding the packing efficiency in SCC. This is regarding the packing efficiency in SCC. See, try to understand properly. Once again, I am going to explain this. Calculate packing efficiency in SCC. First, you should draw the diagram. In SCC, the atoms are mainly located only at the corners. So, where these atoms they will touch only at the edge one. So, radius, R value, R means radius and A means edge length. Sorry, here I used capital letter R, it's small letter r. Small letter r means radius of the atom. You know A is equal to 2r. Where you come to know this? From diagram. A is equal to 2r. So volume is equal to A cube. A cube value is 8r cube. So volume is equal to one sphere. Volume of one sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Why? It look like circle. How much it occupy? Volume. Packing efficiency formula you know. Volume of one sphere divided by total volume of the unit cell. Multiply by 100. One sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Total volume, total unit cell volume is 8 r cube. Multiply by 100. You just solve this, you will get 52.4%. It's the packing efficiency in SCC. The remaining, it's packed means remaining is vacant. It is around 47.6%. 72 minutes. Next, first calculate the packing efficiency in SCC. Over. Now calculate the packing efficiency in FCC. FCC means face center cubic crystal system. Now I am going to draw one crystal system. Same last previous case SCC had, but it is same thing. Same, all the corners we should name first. Why? FCC means all the corners contain atom along with each face center contain one atom. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now it's a face center now. That's why I am going to consider this face A, B, C, D. Is it clear? A, B, C. Now I am going to draw face diagonal. Face diagonal means what? Opposite. AB adjacent but AC opposite. Face diagonal. See, all the corners contain atom na. So this corner contain one atom, this corner contain one atom. And middle one also, face center. This is one face. Center of the face it contain one atom. This is face diagonal. So I will name it as B. From A to C, we call it as B. You know all the edge lengths are A, 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 A. This is regarding diagram. Now I am going to calculate the packing efficiency in FCC. First one, in FCC, all the corners contain 8. All the corners contains atoms. Means here so many corners are there, no? All the corners contain atoms. Plus, along with that, all the corners contain 8 atoms and each face contain one atom. So, plus the atom present at the center of the atom. Atom present at the center of the atom. Center of the face. So, all the 6 faces contain 6 atoms. So, next. Try to understand properly. In FCC, atoms present all the corners and along with that, each face contain one atom. Total 6 faces, 6 atoms. Here, edge length we call it as A. All the edge length we call it as A. What is this? This is face diagonal. Face diagonal is equal to B. One thing you should understand properly. Here how many circles are there? 3 circles. Just for the sake of understanding I will draw here. 1, 2, 3. 3 circles. This one is A. Center here A. This center C. For the sake of understanding only. From here to here. This is distance R. From here to here distance R. From here to here distance R. R. Total how many R's? 4 R. 1 R, 2 R, 3 R, 4 R. This face diagonal we will consider as B. So, B is equal to 4 R. This is clear now? So, B is equal to 4 R. B is equal to 4 R. R, 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 R. So, B is equal to 4 R. B is equal to 4 R. Next one. Still now I completed. I think so? No doubt. Next. From here onwards very important. Now you just consider triangle. Consider triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC. See A, B, C. I will draw here. A, B, C. A to C we are representing as B. This one also A. Apply Pythagoras rule. What is the Pythagoras rule? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. AB square plus BC square. AC square is nothing but B square. B square is equal to AB square means A square plus A square. So 2A square. What is the B value? B square is equal to 2A square. I want B value square root 2A. See, we already know the B value. What is the B value here? 4R. Here, what is the B value? 2 square root 2A. So, root 2A is equal to 4R. What I want? I want A value. So, I am going to shift this root 2 from left hand side to right hand side. So, 4R divided by root 2. This 4 I will write as 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 R as it is. 2 2s are 4 no. 4 na nanu ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ split ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 2s divided by root 2. Simply 2 shall I write it as root 2 whole square? Cancel andre once again it become 2. So this 2 I will write here as root 2 whole square. 1 root 2 get cancelled. Then what happened? 2 root 2 R. What is the A value? A value is equal to 2 root 2 R. This is the A value. Still now, we come to know the value of A is equal to 2 root 2A. Next, after this, see the total volume of the unit cell. Total volume of the unit cell. A cube is equal to, you know how A cube came? A into A into A, it become A cube. So what is the A value? 2 root 2 R whole cube. 2 cube means 8. 2 cube means 8. Root 2 cube. Root 2 we are going to multiply 2 times. The value become 2 root 2. How? Root 2 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 get cancelled. Root 2 root both will get cancelled, so it become 2. 2 root 2. So into 2 root 2, this become R cube. 8 2s are 16. 16 root 2 R cube. And you know, FCC means how many atoms are there? 4 atoms are there. So what is the Z value? Z is equal to 4. Z means what? Number of atoms. In FCC, how many atoms are there? 4 atoms are there. So FCC, Z value is equal to 4. Now, volume occupied by 4 sphere. You know the volume occupied by 1 sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. How many atoms are there? 4. That's why I am going to multiply by 4. Now, packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. What is the formula? previous SCC, same formula, volume occupied by there 1 atom, here 4 atom, volume occupied by 4 atom. What is the value? 4 fours are 16 by 3 pi r cube divided by volume, total volume of unit cell. What is the total volume of unit cell? 16 root 2 r cube. 16 root 2 r cube. R cube get cancelled. 16 get cancelled. Here root 2 by 1. 1 will go up, 2 will come down. So it becomes pi by 3, 1 by root 2 multiplied by 100. Why 100? It's a percentage. Packing efficiency is percentage. If I solve this, I will get 74%. Means what is the packing efficiency in FCC? It's 74%. Means within 100%, 74% is packed, means remaining it's vacant space. So vacant space is equal to 100 minus 74 is equal to 26%. What is the vacant space present in FCC? It's only 26%. Remaining 74% are fully packed. See, once again I am going to recap this. First you should draw one cube and you should consider these two. Not only these two, you can consider these two also. But for my convenience or in order to understand easily, diagram means the textbook representation. AC na consider madidni means all the three atoms touch agಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ತರ touch ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Means phase diagonal touch ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So diagram like this. Phase diagonal I will represent it as B. Remaining all the edge lengths are A. So means FCC means all the corners plus each face contain atoms. First you should write that. Then face diagonal B is equal to 4R. How? Like this. 4R. R plus R plus R plus R. 4R. Now you should consider this triangle ABC. Apply Pythagoras rule. Once if you apply the Pythagoras rule, you will end up with A value. A is equal to 2 root 2 R value. And you know the total volume. The total volume is A cube. A cube value is this one. A cube is equal to 16 root 2 R cube. Then finally, you know, volume occupied by 4 sphere. One sphere means 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 sphere means 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So multiply these two, and for packing efficiency there is a formula. Volume occupied by 4 sphere divided by total volume of the unit cell multiplied by 100. Just apply all the values, substitute it, solve it, you will end up with 74%. Then finally, last one, packing efficiency in BCC. Still now we studied SCC packing efficiency, FCC packing efficiency, and the last one BCC packing efficiency. Same thing. We are going to draw one cube. Next one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. First one cube, 8 corners, because BCC means all the corners also contain atom along with center of the ball. So now I am going to consider this one, A and F. 1, 2, 3. Now, from here to here, I will mention as B. This one I am going to mention as C, small letter C. All the edge lengths are, you know, it's A. Now, from here to here R, here to R, here R. This is regarding diagram. This is regarding diagram. Now, in BCC, along with the corners, center of the body cut at 1 angle. In BCC, all the corners contain atoms along with, not only at the corners, at the center of the body. In BCC, all the corners contain atoms along with center of the body. Along with center of the body. Atoms present. In BCC, all the corners plus center of the body. So, what next? Next, you know, C means it's a distance between A and F. It is nothing but C. See, A and F corners are there, no? The distance is nothing but C. Now, I consider C and consider C is equal to C. See, I am going to draw this. This is F. This is A. How many circles are there? 3 circles are there. 1, 2, 3. From here to here R. From here to here R plus R. 2R. Here R. So total 4R. C is equal to 4R. C is equal to 4R. So C is equal to 4R, which implies C is equal to 4R. Which implies C is equal to 4R. And then, what next? I am going to consider this triangle first. In this BCC, we are going to consider 2 triangles. Consider triangle EFD. See, I will draw here. EFD. I am going to consider this circle. I am going to consider triangle EFD. See, DF square, apply Pythagoras rule. DF square EF square plus DE square. Next, DF square is nothing but B square. B square is equal to, see, this B. This one is AA because this is edges. So, A square plus A square. Then this become 2A square. B square is equal to 2A square. I will keep this one as it is. I don't want B is equal to root 2A. In previous case, in FCC we did like that. But here I am not doing like. I am not solving for B. I will keep as it is for B square. Why means I will explain this. See, now I am going to consider this triangle AFD. Next, second triangle. Consider triangle AFD. AFD. Apply Pythagoras rule. AF square is equal to FD square plus DA square. AF square is nothing but C square is equal to see, F nothing but B value. B square plus DA. It's nothing but edge na. That's why A square. Is it clear now? Now B square. What is the B square value? 2A square. Why I am keeping as it is? You come to know now. B square is equal to 2A square plus A square. 2A square plus A square is nothing but 3A square. C square is equal to 3A square. Now I want the value for C. C is equal to root 3A. What is the C value? 4R. C is equal to 4R. What is the C value? What I got? Root 3A is equal to 4R. So I want the value for A. So I am going to shift this root 3 from left hand side to right hand side. 4R divided by root 3. From 4 to 4 we can't cancel this root 3. So I will keep as it is. Next, total volume of the unit cell is equal to total volume of the is nothing but A cube. What is the A value? 4R divided by root 3 whole cube. 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64. 64 R cube divided by root 3 whole cube means 3 root 3. How? Root 3, root 3, root 3. Multiply this. Root 3 into root 3. Shall I write like this? Next, these two root 2 get cancelled. Then this become 3 root 3. Same thing I mentioned there. You know number of atoms present in BCC 2. Z value is equal to 2. Next, volume occupied by 2 atoms or 2 spheres is equal to 2 times 4 by 3 pi r cube. 2 times 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next, you know percentage packing efficiency. Percentage packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by 2. How much? 4 2s are 8. 8 by 3 pi r cube divided by 64 r cube 3 root 3. 3 3 get cancelled. 8 1s are 8 8s are r cube. Total how much? Pi downside by 8. 8 root 3. Here percentage packing efficiency. So if you solve this, you will get 68%. So packing efficiency is 68%. The remaining we call it as vacant space. Vacant space is equal to 100 minus 68. It's nothing but 62%. Now, see, once again I am going to explain this. First you should draw this diagram. Then BCC means all the corners plus center of the body, it contains one atom. Next C is equal to 4R, where you come to know from the diagram. Then you should consider two triangles. One is EFD and another one AFD. From this triangle you are going to calculate the value B square. From this triangle you are going to calculate the value C. You know C is equal to 4R. Substitute the value and finally you will get A is equal to 4R divided by root 3. Then total volume A cube. A value we know, just substitute it and solve it. And you know number of atoms, Z value is equal to 2. Volume occupied by 2 atoms is equal to 2 times of that, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So finally packing efficiency, apply this. Write down the formula and substitute the values and vacant space. This clears the packing efficiency in SCC, FCC and BCC. Now, last video we discussed regarding the density of the solid. Means I already informed you, based on density one question compulsory, means problems. So what is the formula for density? D is equal to Zm divided by A cube in A. This is the formula for density. Now I am going to solve the problem based on this formula. See, I will read the question carefully, try to understand. An element has BCC structure. BCC structure means, you know, Z value given. First, for everything you should write the given. See, BCC structure means Z value should be 2. That is one hint. With a cell edge of, edge length. Cell edge is nothing but edge length. What is the representation? A, small letter a is equal to 288 picometer. You know, we should convert everything to in normal simplest form. It's in picometer. Pico means what? 10 to the power minus 12. 288 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Same thing I want in centimeter. That's why 288 into 10 to the power. 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Why? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Got it? 100 means 10 to the power 2 centimeter. In the place of meter, 1 meter, shall I keep 10 to the power plus 2 centimeter? 10 to the power minus 12 is there. In the place of meter, I will substitute this. 10 to the power plus 2 centimeter. Minus 12 plus 2. So it becomes minus 10 centimeter. That's why I got this. But still this one is in bigger. Why I am solving like this means because A value is in cube. Cube means it becomes 3 times. We are going to multiply by 3 times. That's why point is here now. If I shift from here to here, it becomes 10 to the power minus 9. Here to here, it becomes 10 to the power minus 8. So 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. This is clear now. An element has BCC structure. So Z value is 2 with the edge length. It's in picometer. We are going to convert from pico to here. Then the density. Directly they gave the density value. How much? 7.2 gram per centimeter. Why I converted from meter to centimeter, you come to know now. Because it's in centimeter. That's why this one is also centimeter. All the units should be in one single phrase. That's why. Then how many atoms are present in 208 gram of the elements? We should calculate 208 grams ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is the question. Too simple. You know the density formula. D is equal to Zm divided by A cube NA. Z value known. M value divided by A. No, in question they won't give. D value given. A value known. NA Avogadro number, it's constant, we should know. In problem they won't give means we should know that value. So I am going to rearrange the formula. I am going to shift from here to here. Then D A cube N A divided by what I want? Only unknown term M. That's why I will keep M here. Then I will shift this Z this side. Clear? ಯಾವ ತರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಿರೋದು M ಮಾತ್ರ. Remaining all the terms are known. That's why I will keep this M and remaining terms I will shift it towards the left hand side. So I will write this side. M is equal to D A cube N A divided by Z. What is the Z value? 7.2 multiplied by A value. See, A value 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 8 whole cube. Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by Z value is 2. If you solve this, you will get around 51.79 gram per mole. Why? Unit also very important. Gram per mole. You just solve this, you will get this much. See, M value we got means what? 51.79 gram contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರೋದು 208 gram ಎಷ್ಟು atom ಇದೆ? So 208 gram, how much X I don't know. So cross multiply this. X is equal to 208 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 51.79. If you solve this, you will get around 2.419 into 10 to the power 24 atoms. Means 208 gram ಅಲ್ಲಿ 51 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು atoms ಇದ್ರೆ 208 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು atoms ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. It's very simple. First Z value ಗೊತ್ತು, A value ಗೊತ್ತು, D value ಗೊತ್ತು. All the three values. NA value is constant. All the values are known except M. Rearrange the formula, rewrite the formula, then you will get M value. This much of atom contain Avogadro number means in question they are asking 208 gram. How much atoms are there? Just cross multiply that, you will get the answer. Based on that, here we just solve for M. They may ask for density D in order to calculate D. They ask for A. They ask for Z. They will change the question, but the thing is same. You should know how to rearrange the formula, everything. Now this last question is saying, no, this is the work problem. Try to understand. I will give the clue. We just solve it and post the answer. See, what is the distance between? Means NaCl crystal is there, Na plus and Cl minus crystal. Distance from here to here, distance. What is the distance? Distance means length A. In NaCl crystal, if NaCl is means M value. M value is there, Na value is there, everything is there. What is the distance? You just calculate it. Z value given. NaCl means it's a face center. That's why 4 Z value. You just solve this, try to find out the answer and post it. Thank you.